So, SMD reading convention o SMD resistor, kung paano basahin at anong ibig sabihin nito. Etong resistor, important component ng mga electronic devices. So, ito yung mga bagong knowledge na explore natin. At yung letter R pala is, yun ang substitute sa decimal point.
Infrastructure damage, cracks, crack damage.
No? Yung letter R pala is decimal point. So, kung 10 ohms yun, 10R0, ibig sabihin 10 ohms.
Bawat LGU, stockpile ng relief items, foods.
So, yun. Yung R pala, decimal point yun. At kung 33, yung dalawa kasing convention niya, yung 3-digit code at saka 4-digit code. Papakita natin yung 3-digit code. Ayan. Yan yung 3-digit code niya. Ibig sabihin, yung 332 means 330. Yung last digit na to, gagawin nating 0. Then yung 4-digit code is 1001. So yung last digit na 1, papalitan natin ng 0, meaning 10,000 ohms. Measure yan ng resistance. Ang unit ng electrical resistance ay ohm. Yan. Turo ni Sir Alfred yan, physics namin. Nung ako'y college. So yan, nadadagdagan na naman natin yung ating electronic knowledge. Alam mo naman yan ang scientific base ng computer science na course natin. So maganda na pag-aaralan natin yan. Yung SMD stands for Surface Mount Device. Yun yung mga devices na ginagamitan ng surface mount technology. Ibig sabihin ng surface mount, yung ikinakabit o sinasalpak ng harapan. So, yun lang po.